After a sort of kind of wintry weekend, at least for some of us, we have seen the cold temperatures linger into your Monday. Got a whole lot of water coming in and a little bit of winter also. That's your St. Joseph Health weather bug camera. That one's located at Center College. We're looking out toward the Knobs there in southern Boyle County, where we did have some snow over the weekend. And we had accumulation out there. That is obviously not all gone, but we may put a little bit more down tomorrow evening. MaxTrack Live Doppler now. We've got a few flurries we can talk about to the north, but that's all they are, flurries. And tonight, looking at the coldest night in the last 10 days. It's not saying a whole lot, but it's a little colder than we've seen recently. For this week, the rain just keeps coming. And by this weekend, we could be paying the price of this early season mild weather that we're going to have, with the possibility of some stronger thunderstorms. So, as we're looking at the threat for excessive rain tomorrow, this is really more for tomorrow night. You're seeing we are in the slight risk for that, and that continues then on into Wednesday. So again, we're looking at that possibility, and what we're looking at is just a swath of heavy rain. And how many times have we seen this overall look where the bullseye runs through the middle Mississippi Valley, then right up through the Ohio Valley to us? It's a sign that we've got the warmth to the south battling a whole lot of cold to the north, and the jet stream has been basically right over the top of us. So that's where the storms just keep coming. Round one of the potential for heavy rain, and this goes from late tomorrow evening all the way into Thursday. We're looking at a 2 to 4 inch rain. That's a lot of water, covering almost all of central and eastern Kentucky, with lesser amounts when you cross the Ohio River. Just for perspective's sake, for the normal February, we would see 3.2 inches. For this February, and we're only halfway through basically, we're already at 3.5 inches. And again, for a little more perspective, last year we were over 10. That was the record-breaking year. Round two comes in Friday going into early Sunday. By the time that's done, the total could be up to a half a foot of rain over a lot of real estate. So basically double the normal February rain, and we'll do it in a week. The potential is there, and then lesser amounts as we look on to the north. There are flood watches that cover the entire area. They start tomorrow afternoon and evening, then run all the way into Thursday morning. The flood watches run all the way from Ohio and West Virginia back down to Arkansas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. So again, those cover a lot of real estate. Then this entire storm system itself has winter advisories all along the mid-Atlantic, back through the Midwest and the Great Plains to the desert, and the desert Southwest, where it snowed in Las Vegas yesterday. The low that did that is sitting down here in southern New Mexico. It's also going to be our rainmaker. That's the modified Arctic air that's going to pass up through the lake. So by tomorrow morning, the rain is beginning to assemble to our south and southwest. It begins to make its presence felt as early as late tomorrow afternoon and evening in southern Kentucky. Then by tomorrow evening, look at that, the leading edge, likely in the form of some accumulating snow. So there may be a couple of hours tomorrow evening where it's not a whole lot of fun out there. But that should quickly then change over to rain during the early morning hours of Wednesday as the warm air gushes in, and then the rain will continue all the way through Wednesday. Should be ending for us early on Thursday. You notice that low also makes a left-hand turn. That's the strength of the ridge that it's running into that's helping to provide all the moisture. But we do get warm with temperatures heading toward the 60s this weekend. We are not warm now with temperatures in the low and mid-30s. Tonight becoming partly cloudy, cold and dry. Low 20s. Tomorrow, low 40s. Some sunshine early, giving way to more clouds, and we'll call it seasonably cool. The rain arrives tomorrow evening. Again, could begin as some snow. The flood watch Wednesday into Thursday. A brief break Thursday night into early Friday. Then strong storms late Saturday into early Sunday.
It's a really brief break.
Welcome to spring.
Thank you, Bill.